Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install latest version of Python, that is version 3.14.4 on Windows operating system. So for that, first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here Python download. Hit enter. That will show you this python.org. Just go to the official site of Python. This link I am going to provide right on our video description. Once when you are here, you will see this download Python install manager. So in my previous videos, I have already showed you how to install this Python install manager and use it to install latest version of Python. But this time I'm going to show you how to get their standalone installer for Python 3.14.4. So for that, just click on this and that's going to immediately start downloading your Python. You can see it is rightly downloaded. Just simply click on that installer and here is our Python installation wizard. So here I'll recommend you to select both these two options and click on custom installation. Here you can keep everything as default and click on next. Here in advanced options, I'm going to recommend to check this install Python 3.14 for all users and click on install. It's going to ask you for administrative privileges, click on yes. You can minimize your browser and here it is. You can see it is rightly started installing. So it's going to take some time. Let's wait for a couple of minutes over here. So welcome back, and now you can clearly see that our Python is directly installed. Just simply click on close. Now if you go to search and type cmd to open your command prompt, and within command prompt if you just simply type Python and hit enter, it's going to give you this prompt. So if you're getting this, that Python 3.14.4, then all that basically means is you have successfully installed latest version of Python. Now let's do a bit of Python programming. Just go to search and type idle. That will open Python idle shell. So here you can do a bit of Python programming, like you can print something on your console like hello world. Hit enter and that's going to give you the output. You can also create a new file and write some Python program over here. So something like, let's say num1 equal to 5 and let's say num2 equal to 2. And let's say you want to do multiplication of these two numbers. So num1 into 2. Basically num1 into num2. So that's going to give you 5 into 2, 10. Just first save this file. And let's save this file as mul.py. Click on save. Click on yes. Save. And if you go to run and click on run module, it's going to give you the output 10 on your console. So 5 into 2, that is num1 into num2, 10. So that output is properly coming. So that's how I install Python. I highly recommend to use PyCharm. So on my previous videos, I have showed you how to install PyCharm. So follow that video. That's going to give you really very good user interface where you can really enjoy your Python programming. And do check out my all these different videos. I'm sure you're going to love them. So all these Python projects are completely free. So some of these projects like make Python talk or build an entire project which will help you to detect human faces or how to create a QR code, all that you can see. So all these videos are completely free. To check all these different videos that are going to help you to learn more about Python. And detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.